Hello everyone, this is my honest review of the Plano 1819 storage trunk. This has a total capacity of up to 108 quarts. I personally needed a box to put all my camping stuff in for cooking. Just a go-to grab and go type box. I found this, been using it for over a year, absolutely love it. It does its job. Let me show you some of the key features. One, there are 4 locks on this, side, front, side. So this is a great way to keep it secured. Number 2, 3 actual locking holes, 1, 2, 3. If you wanted to lock it and in order to prevent anything or anyone from getting inside, it's a great feature to have. I like its weight. It's not very heavy at all. I actually have a few items in here, but you can tell just with one hand, I'm easily able to lift it up. Now, a few key features that are different about this than most storage trunks. This one has wheels. You can see right here on the right-hand side, 2 integrated wheels built in so they don't stick out. But more importantly, look how easy I can maneuver this with one hand. Imagine if there was a ton of weight in there, I would still be able to maneuver this quite simply. I also like the fact that this has built-in tie downs. So if you put this in the back of your truck, you could easily tie down to this in order to prevent this from moving. That's a great feature. I actually have a truck. I've used this a couple times and I didn't realize how much I would enjoy that feature until I started using it. So whoever engineered this, very, very bright individual to come up with that feature. Currently, I'm just gonna open it up. I'll show you the inside. Like I said, I've got a few things in here as I'm reorganizing. I just came back from a trip, but plenty of space inside, 108 total quarts of space. What I also like about this is I've left this out during rain, locked down, no issues with water integrating itself inside of this trunk. Great trunk, serves the purpose, extremely durable, does its job quite well. Lightweight, I don't have any complaints with it so far. This is Jared and this is my honest review of the Plano 1819 storage trunk.